Hello and welcome to Dhyey Consulting's Salesperson Metric Tracking and Optimizing Power BI app. At Dhyey, we have set out to implement projects that help you monetize your data. By moving away from one size fits all dashboards and focusing on creating process specific solutions covering all important departments like sales, production, purchase, and finance. We design apps and dashboards focusing on leading KPIs and tailor our solutions specific to processes businesses like you seek to optimize. You can now employ historical data and often incorporate external factors to generate actionable insights that can help you navigate your day to day business activities and refine your strategy in a rapidly changing environment. This dashboard highlights performance of all your sales personnel over time by product, by region, and also highlights how many deals have they won and lost. Keeping an eye on activities that led to the results that were achieved helps your salesperson receive feedback backed by real data and strategize for upcoming cycles. For example, in the case of salesperson 2, when we analyzed the data in the month of May, over 3 years, we notice a direct correlation between the revenue they generated and the calls that they made. Similar insights can be generated for all your sales personnel and help them optimize their engagements for maximum revenue generation